Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today, we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. Who declared the Christianity as a legal religion in Rome? Option A. Diocletian, B. Nero, C. Constantine, and D. Basil II. The correct answer is Constantine. The Imperial Constantine issued the Edict of Aemilian in 313 AD, which made Christianity legal in Roman Empire. This proclamation legalized Christianity and allowed for freedom of worship throughout the empire. Question number 2. During the Muslim rule, was the capital of Spain? Option A. Cordova, B. Toledo, C. Granada, and D. Madrid. The correct answer is Cordova. In 750, the Umayyad dynasty in Syria fell to the Abbasids. The one surviving member, Abd al-Rahman, escaped to Spain and established autonomous rule there. He rebuilt Cordova, the capital city, to reflect his Syrian heritage and Benjamin root of Umayyad capital of Damascus. Question number 3. Which one of the following states in India does not use thermal electricity? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Manipur, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. There is not even a single thermal plant in India, northeast, and most of the power need in the region and also power source in northeast grid comes from hydro projects. Question number 4. The first country to admit women to medical school for training as a medical doctor was A. Britain, B. Switzerland, C. Germany, and D. Spain. The correct answer is Switzerland. Switzerland was the first European country to allow women to study medicine in 1864. The first Polish woman to earn a medical degree was Dr. Anna Thomas Sacheverell in 1878. Question number 5. Name the national game of the United States of America. A. Water polo, B. Rugby, C. Polo, and D. Baseball. The correct answer is baseball. Question number 6. Which of the following mountain range in India are the oldest? A. Aravalli, B. Himalayas, C. Vindhyas, and D. Sahyadri. The correct answer is Aravalli. The Aravalli range, literally meaning line of peaks, is a range of mountains in western India and eastern Pakistan running approximately 800 km from northwest to southwest across Indian state of Rajasthan, Haryana, Gujarat, Pakistan province of Punjab and Sindh. Question number 7. Which one of the following is called the digestive bag in the cell? A. Golgi body, B. Mitochondria, C. Ribosome, and D. Lysosome. The correct answer is lysosome. Lysosomes are known as a digestive bag because it digests every foreign material as well as worn out cell organelles. They contain powerful digestive enzymes which are capable of breaking down all organic materials. Question number 8. Which plateau is called as the roof of the world? A. Deccan Plateau, B. Tibet Plateau, C. Laurentian Plateau, and D. Meskhetian Plateau. The correct answer is Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is known as the roof of the world because its average height is more than 400 meters above the sea level. Also, the highest peak in the world, that is Mount Everest, is also present in Tibet. Question number 9. In which city will the world's largest museum, Yuge Yugin Bharat, be built? A. New Delhi, B. Pune, C. Goa, and D. Mumbai. The correct answer is New Delhi. Yuga Yugin Bharat, an upcoming museum in New Delhi, India, is said to become the largest museum in the world, spanning 1,17,000 square meters and housing 950 rooms. Question number 10. Which Indian actor's autobiography is titled Khullam Khulla? A. Ranbir Kapoor, B. Rishi Kapoor, C. Anil Kapoor, and D. Rajiv Kapoor. The correct answer is Rishi Kapoor. Question number 11. Who is the first Indian football player to play professional football for European club? A. I. M. Vijayan, B. Sabir Ali, C. Mohammad Salim, and D. Balchung Bhutia. The correct answer is Mohammad Salim. Question number 12. Which of the following is the only volcanic peak in Antarctica? A. Mount Blanc, B. Mount Cook, C. Mount Erebus, and D. Mount Elbrus. The correct answer is Mount Erebus. The Mount Erebus is the second highest volcano in the Antarctica after Mount Slidley and the southmost active volcano on Earth. It is located on the Ross Island, which also home to the three inactive volcanoes Mount Terror, Mount Bird, and Mount Terra Nova. Question number 13. Which of the following is known as the graveyard of RBC? A. Liver, B. Spleen, C. Brain, and D. Heart. The correct answer is spleen. Spleen is known as the RBC graveyard. RBC are destroyed in the spleen in 1 second. Approximately 2.5 million RBC are destroyed. Question number 14. In the human body, fats are stored in the A. Epidermis, B. Liver, C. Epithelium, and D. Adipose tissue. The correct answer is adipose tissue. The fats are stored in the human body in adipose tissue. Adipose tissue acts as a central metabolic organ and regulates the energy homeostasis of the body. Question number 15. The civilian airport of highest altitude is in A. Tibet, B. Nepal, C. India, and D. China. The correct answer is China. Daeju-Cheng Yading Airport in Sinchon, China is the highest civilian airport in the world, with an elevation of 4,411 meters above sea level. It's located on Heji Mountain, 50 kilometers north of Daejeon country. Question number 16. Who was the Governor General of the Indian during the revolt 1857? A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Canning, C. Lord Mayo, and D. Lord Ripon. The correct answer is Lord Canning. In consequence of the departure of Lord Dalhousie in 1855 and the vacancy in the Governor Generalship of India, Lord Canning was selected by the Lord Palmerston to succeed to that great position. The most significant event during the administration was the outbreak of Sepoy Revolt 1857. Question number 17. The potato crop was introduced in India by the A. British, B. French, C. Dutch, and D. Portuguese. The correct answer is Portuguese. The potato was introduced in India in the early part of the 17th century by the Portuguese. It was first cultivated in Surat on the west coast. From there it spread to other areas like Goa, which were under Portuguese influence. Question number 18. The highest waterfall of India is in the state of A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Assam, and D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Karnataka. Kunchikal Fall are the highest waterfall in India and the second highest waterfall in Asia. They are located in Shimoga district. Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India with a height of 1493 feet. Question number 19. Which animal is invisible when seen in infrared cameras? A. Snake, B. Rat, C. Fox, and D. Polar bear. The correct answer is polar bear. Polar bears are nearly invisible to infrared camera because their fur reflects heat well, prevents their body heat from escaping. Question number 20. Which animal has the largest brain relative to body size? A. Human, B. Dolphin, C. Elephant, and D. Sperm whale. The correct answer is dolphin. Question number 21. Which of the following is the file extension for all Word documents? A. Text, B. Doc, C. PDF, and D. Words. The correct answer is Doc. Question number 22. In which year Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat? A. 1916, B. 1917, C. 1920, and D. 1924. The correct answer is 1917. The ashram was originally established at the Kocharb Bangla of Jiwana Lal Desai on 25 May 1915. The ashram was then shifted on 17 June in 1917 to piece of open land of the bank of the river Sabarmati. Question number 23. Where was the kiwi fruit first grown? A. Chile, B. Australia, C. China, and D. Japan. The correct answer is China. The kiwi fruit is a native to China and has been grown there for many centuries. The first recorded description of the fruit dates back to the 12th century during the Song dynasty. The original Chinese name for the kiwi fruit was Miao To, which means the macaque fruit. This name referred to the monkey fondness for sweet fruits. Question number 24. What flower is associated with the country of the Netherlands? A. Tulip, B. Sunflower, C. Lily, and option D. Rose. The correct answer is tulip. Question number 25. Who measured the velocity of light first? A. Galileo, B. Newton, and C. Romer, and D. Einstein. The correct answer is Romer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.